If your ASUS laptop touchpad suddenly stops working and your cursor completely disappears, it can feel like your whole device is unusable. But don't worry, this is one of the quickest laptop fixes you can do. And today, I'll show you exactly how to get your touchpad working again in just a few seconds, even if you can't move the mouse at all. So here's what you want to do. First, press the Start key on your keyboard. This is the key between Control and Alt on the left side. Once the Start menu opens, start typing the word Touchpad. You don't need the cursor for this. Windows will automatically search as you type. You should see touchpad settings appear in the search results. Just press enter to open it. Now you're inside the settings window, but your cursor is still missing. No problem. You can navigate everything using just the keyboard. Press the tab key several times. Each press moves the highlight or focus box to the next selectable item on the screen. Keep tapping tab until the focus lands on the touchpad toggle switch. Once the toggle is highlighted, press the spacebar. That will switch the touchpad back on, and in most cases, your cursor will instantly reappear and start working normally again. And that's it. Super quick, no tools, no restart, and no panic required. If this tutorial helped you fix your ASUS laptop, feel free to drop a comment, and if you want more simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.